Oh, wait. What's my intro? I forgot. I'm gonna go check the mail.
Make a DIY.
What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be making slime. Not just any slime, my own slime. We're going to be using new ingredients. First up, you're going to need food coloring, cups, this thing, this spoon, corn syrup, baking soda. First step, you're going to want to get water. Hopefully you have water. It could be cold or warm, I think, I don't know. Just fill it up to the top like that. You're going to want to color the water. Do just one drop. There we go. Just one drop. Stir it up. Should I put baking soda or corn syrup first?
I think you need to put baking soda in the water.
In the water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, now get your water back. Well, how much?
Half.
Pour your baking soda into your measuring cup. That big number 10 right there, the 10 ounces. Now you want to go a little slow because if you mess up, wait, where's the 10? If you messed up, then oh, wait, you think that's too much?
Nah, I think that's good.
Right now, pour the baking soda. You might want to. Nothing happened. All right, and then put 2 scoops of the baking soda into your water. Your other cup, you're going to want to get your corn syrup. Fill it up about 3.5 inches. Now get your spoon. Oh wait, should I put it in there? I guess, let's see what happens. Syrup. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Stir it up. I think it's working. Now, let's see what the substance looks like. Let's touch it. But it's too liquidy. So, baking soda should fix that. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Okay. Pour a little more baking soda. Too much never hurt anyone. Now stir it up again. Put some red in there to make it look cool. Oh, darn it. Oh, more corn syrup. Alright, just put a bunch in. And then a little more baking soda. So it's not too corny. Baking soda. Alright, stir it up. Again. Right.
Do you just want to watch how to do it on YouTube?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna need is 1 bowl, Elmer's glue all.
We forgot the glue.
Glue! You want to go to the store?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, I gotta call my mom and tell her.